Hey there, welcome back to Healthy and Happy Vibes, where we explore the best of nature, health and food. In today's episode, we're re-diving into an amazing leafy green vegetable that doesn't always get the spotlight it deserves, waterleaf. It isn't just a local favorite, it's a superfood hiding in plain sight. It supports your heart, blood, digestion, skin, and even your immune system. We'll cover what waterleaf is, the powerful benefits it offers for your health, and a delicious, simple recipe you can try at home. So, if you're ready to eat healthier and feel better, stick around. Waterleaf, scientifically known as Talinum triangulare, is a leafy green vegetable commonly found in West Africa, Asia, and parts of Central America. It thrives in humid environments and is easily recognized by its bright green, soft leaves and tender stems. In Nigeria, it's widely used in local dishes like edikaikong and afang soup. Botanical name, Talinum triangulare, rich in water content, up to 90%. Fast-growing and easy to cultivate, waterleaf is more than just a vegetable. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and natural medicine. 2. Health benefits. Let's talk about the amazing health benefits of waterleaf. 1. Rich in nutrients, vitamins A, C, E, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. 2. High in antioxidants, helps reduce cell damage, slows aging and fights inflammation. 3. Supports heart health, lowers bad cholesterol, improves blood circulation. 4. Improves digestion, high in dietary fiber, prevents constipation and aids bowel movement. 5. Boosts immune function, strengthens your body's natural defense. 6. Good for eyes and skin. Vitamin A improves vision. Vitamin C promotes radiant skin. 7. Supports brain and mental clarity. Magnesium and iron boost brain health. 8. Regulates blood sugar, may help in managing diabetes with regular intake. Waterleaf truly earns its title as a superfood. Now let's move on to the fun part, making a delicious dish. 3. Waterleaf recipe. All right, time to cook. Today we're making a simple waterleaf stir-fry that's quick, healthy, and tasty. Ingredients. 4 cups fresh waterleaf, washed and chopped. 1 small onion, sliced. 1 to 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons palm oil or vegetable oil. 1 to 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, optional for spice. Salt and seasoning to taste. Instructions. 1. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. 2. Add onions and garlic, sauté until fragrant. 3. Add chopped pepper if desired. 4. Toss in the chopped waterleaf. 5. Stir well and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. 6. Add salt and seasoning to taste. 7. Serve hot with rice, yam, or as a side dish. Host tastes the dish. So fresh and flavorful, and you get all the nutrients without losing the natural taste. 4. Tips and warnings. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips. Don't overcook waterleaf. It loses nutrients quickly. Best when used fresh. If you have kidney issues, consume moderately due to its oxalate content. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with friends and family. Have you tried waterleaf before? Let us know in the comments how you cook it. See you next time on the next one.